Somebody's feeling sleepy after you just got fed. Yes. That's Sebastian.
I'm worried about time.
So yeah, until you turn the light on.
No, can't do that.
He had his eyes closed.
Come on, don't stop. Do it again. Okay.
He likes to be pet and preened just like the parents would. He's sprouting new feathers.
Claire, I want to talk to you.
Okay.
So the waxy pin around the feathers before they open up, and usually the brothers and sisters and mom and dads are the ones that open it up, you know. There's my little girl Zoe, making sure everything is going fine, inspecting. And Charlie. You can't tell when he licks his lips like that, looking at the bird so intensely, if he's hungry, or if he wants to give it kisses. But hopefully this turns out to be a little boy. You can see his steer's purple, but sometimes they always change. So the boys have blue and the girls have white, a tan.
You tell me.
But anyway, I think I'm disturbing him with a light. He's telling me. So I'm gonna let you all go. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Alright, take care now.